Can scoliosis happen suddenly? Unfortunately, you better believe it. I've had so many times where a child comes in here and the parents say to me, how did this happen? How did I not notice this? I remember one time the father was a medical doctor and he says to me, this was around Christmas time, he says to me, Dr. Strauss, I saw her in a bathing suit this summer. How did I not see that she had scoliosis? Well, it can happen in a matter of months. It can go from a very mild curve to a very significant curve in maybe 3 months. And this is specifically true when the child's going through peak growth velocity. That means around 4 inches a year they're growing, and that's when the curve can really blow out. So can it happen rapidly? Absolutely yes. In the adult, we can also get rapid progression, but it's much more rare. And this is associated typically with a collapse of the bone that may be associated with osteoporosis, where we'll see the person just fall into the curve very suddenly. Thanks for watching. I hope you found all this information helpful. Please subscribe if you'd like to have more information about scoliosis, and don't forget to hit the bell. That'll alert you whenever we publish new information. And if you've got any questions, write them in the comments field, and I'm going to make sure to address them in a future video. Thanks for watching.